Step-by-step guide on how to file a small claims case for depository tree. Before filing an SC-100 form, plaintiffs claim and order to go to small claims court in California. Ensure you've made a demand for what you're owed. Gather necessary evidence, determine the correct court, and have the filing fee ready. Here's a more detailed breakdown. Number 1. Make a demand. Before suing, you must demand the money or property from the defendant. Send a written demand or a demand letter and consider making a phone call as well. Keep copies of all communication, including proof of mailing if we sent a letter by mail. And number 2. Gather evidence. Collect all documents and evidence that support your claim. This could include contracts, receipts, photographs, or other relevant documents. Organize your evidence and make copies for the court and all parties involved. Number 3. Determine the correct court. Small claims cases must be filed in the proper court, which is usually where the defendant resides or where the incident occurred. Check the California court's website or your local court's website for guidance on where to file. Number 4. Understand filing fees and fee waivers. The filing fee for a small claims case varies, but it is typically between $30 and $100. If you can't afford the fee, you can request a fee waiver by filing Form FW001. Request to waive court fees. Number 5. Read the information for the small claims plaintiff. SC-100 info. These documents provide important information about the small claims process, including what to do before, during, and after filing your claim. It also outlines the rules and procedures for serving the defendant and appearing in court. Number 6. Serve the defendant. After filing, you must properly serve the defendant with a copy of the SC-100 form and any attachments. Service must be done by someone 18 years old or older who is not involved in the case. Number 7. Be prepared for your court date. Arrive on time with all your evidence and witnesses. Be prepared to explain your case to the judge and answer all their questions. If you are requesting a summa prudence, you must follow the court's instructions and file the necessary forms at least 10 days before the hearing. Number 8. Consider seeking assistance. Many courts have free small claims advisors who can provide legal information about your case. Form SC-100. Plaintiff's claim and order to go to small claims court. It is the official form used to start a small claims lawsuit in California for amounts up to $10,000 for individuals, such as to recover a security deposit. You may visit the link and download the SC-100 plaintiff's form. Form SC-100 Overview. The form has 6 pages. You mostly complete pages 2 to 4. The page 1 is for court use. To begin a legal claim to recover a deposit or security deposit, a tenant in California uses the SC-100 form to start a small claims court case. Page 1 for court use only, and page 2 for plaintiff's claim information. Page 3 for court use, interpreter and attorneys. And page 4 for a declaration and signature. And page 5 to 6 is for the information for the dependent or the person being sued. Page 1. The court use only. Do not write anything on this page. This is where the court clerk writes the hearing date, location, and instructions. And this is our page 2. Plaintiff's claim information. On the upper part on number 1, you must fill in your full name, address, and phone number. On number 2, dependent's information. List the full legal name and address of the person or business you are suing. The landlord. If the landlord is a business, include full name and business structure. For example, ABC Property Management, LLC. And then number 3, the plaintiff's claims the dependent owes. Tell why you are suing and how much. Write a short explanation of what happened. Include why you owed the money. Example, security deposit not returned. How much you are suing for. And what did the issue happen. For example, defendant failed to return my $2,000 security deposit within 21 days after I moved out on May 31, 2025, as required by California Civil Code 18505. I am using for $2,000 deposit plus $1,000 in damages for what paid withholding. And this is our page 3 for court use interpreter and attorneys. On number 4, have you asked the dependent to pay? Check yes and write how. On number 5, why are you filing the claims at this court? Briefly explain jurisdiction. And number 6, list the zip code of the place checked in if you know. For number 7, is there a claim about an attorney-client fee dispute? If no, check no. If yes, and if you have had arbitration, fill out the form SC-101 and attach it to this form. On number 8, are you suing a public entity? If yes, you must file a written claim with the entity first. On page 4 for declaration and signature. On number 9, it's about related cases. Usually check no unless there is another lawsuit involving the same situation or people. On number 10, is there a claim for more than $2,500? If your answer yes, you also confirm that you have not filed and you understand that you may not file. For more than 2 small claims cases for more than $2,500 in California during this calendar year. And for number 11, the declaration, signature, and date. Read the statement confirming everything you wrote is true and correct. Sign your name and date the form. Type or print your name under your signature. For pages 5 to 6 is for the information of the dependent or the person being sued. After filing the SC-100 form, make at least 2 copies, one for you and one to serve the landlord. You need original SC-100 for court. And number 2, file it at the small claims division for the Superior Court in the Horrocks County. On number 3, pay the filing fee, usually $30 to $75. If you can't afford the fee, file form FW001 to request to waive fees. And number 4, serve the landlord. You get a court date at filing. You must legally serve the landlord within the claim. they must receive a copy. And time limit must be served at least 15 days before the hearing if local, and 20 days if outside the county. Thank you for reading the steps about filing a small claims case for deposit return, and I hope you find the information useful.